February ni somni paruk sang ni somni pani inri ni zan khian khopui ro pui Dubai chuan professional boxing event sa thlengdona he in heka hian Mizo boxer pali telin India boxer ten Pakistan boxer vek an ma chhondona Dubai khopuya India le Pakistan in dona lian na thlengdon grassroots boxing promotions and management chuan Dubai in nek om tura tel tur Mizo boxer te chu February ni Nilai ni khan Hotel Regency Conference Hall a pho chhuana hun an neya Dubai in nek ma chhon tur te hi Mizo boxer lar le thaberber lerin sang atlaw NT Lalbiak kima HC John Kenty van hlimpuya le lalding lian te anni Dubai khopuya in nek voi khat ma chhon to WBC World Youth Champion lerin sang atlaw chuan Pakistan boxer Mohammad Sikandar Abbasi ama chhondona round ruk anin nekang Sangte hian a king puitur Abbasi ain record ane thazoka professional huanga in nek voi ruk ma chhon to in ala chak veka mi pathum a knockout to Pakistani boxer Abbasi hian professional huanga in nek voi kwa ma chhon to in voi nga achaka voi li tlom zoka atanga mi pahni a knockout to WBC World Youth Champion sangte chuan in nek munom tak an lan tir tur thu asoi IBA Intercontinental Champion NT Lalbiak machu champion ani na aya sang shata akhel angai dona light flyweight huanga in lanin Fida Muhammad Ahmad Sonanga round ruk anin nekang NT Lalbiak hi professional huanga voithum in lan to in ala chak veka aking puite hi knockout mangin anne vek nge aking puitur Fida Muhammad chuan in nek voili ma chhon to in voini achaka voini dang tlom zoka atang ve thung Zokeite NT Lalbiak ma chuan aking puitur Fida Muhammad chu LPS Fight Night 2 a hne tak kumsawat angot ani lo tur thu asoya ama angthawa king puiten na taka norchi ani wangin in nek mu nom tak anlan tir ngei don ni na soi Mizo Palian Champion Services a gold medal lo chuak thei HC John Kenty van hlimpuye chu professional huanga avai khatnan in Londona Dubai khopuya ama aya tonshat nei thashet Mohamed Kahir Ahmad Sondon John Kenty hi middleweight huanga in Londona aking puitur Kahir hian professional huanga in nek voi khat alo ma chhon ve zau to a voi khat a chak to tuipui boxer John Kenty chuan professional huanga in London bokma se India rama amateur huanga gold medal hlo chwange ala tum tlat thu asoya Mizo boxer zinga India rampum huap in elna gold medal nek chuak masaber ni alatum ro lereng LPS Pro Fight aming cher tak bantamweight champion lalding liana chuan professional huanga in nek voithum ama chhontura Pakistan boxer ama chhondon boka aking puitur nen round li chung anin nekang Mizo boxer ten in nek an ma chhon theina na ma la tu le contract zia puitu grassroots boxing promotions and management chuan Mizo boxer te king puitur an thlan uluk thu an soya an king puitur te cheu po boxer chatak tak nia an ngai te an nihloma Mizo boxer ten fian hau tak an ma chhon angai don nin an soi grassroots boxing promotions and management hian Mizoram ange in neklian tham tak an labuat sai ngei tur thu an soibok anni hi India rama professional boxing promoter chale larber annia an hnuaya hian boxer somsari zetin contract an nei mek nin an tarlang Dubai a Mizo boxer palite in nek hi Zonet Cable Network kaltlangin en theidona Zonet atang vek hian pay-per-view mangin a en theidon bok